George Chinnery, named after a famous watercolorist. I'll tell you all about him in a minute as well. Give you all the details. This is kind of where we're at. It's kind of, what's this? It's like a worshipping, okay. 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 That looks kind of cool too. So anyways, we're gonna go down this one. And there's like cool stuff everywhere. Okay. That's gonna be our focus right there. Kind of a short street, but kind of a cool one. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, let's just check out this George Chinnery guy. That's what it looks like. It's very British. Got even like little pale cheeks. Oh, okay. So that's George Chinnery. There he is in Macau. That must be following the footsteps of George Chinnery. I think that's based in a movie, documentary. Must be one of his drawings. Okay, Geisha girl. That's it. Huade. There's a street where they had Geisha girls. Another one. Okay. Oh, okay. He did a lot of watercoloring. So his watercoloring kind of shared with people what Macau looked like at that time. So people got really curious about the British world and China through Macau, through his work, as before photographs. It's interesting. Okay, so that's definitely okay. English family. So he drew a family of an English, drew a picture of an English family in Macau. It's a Chinaman, I guess they'd call them back at that time. Hokwa, that's what they say. So anyways, that's all right here on this George Chinnery. Oh, look at that one. George Chinnery. There's his birth, 1774 to 1852, so it's before photographs. So he became kind of well known for exposing what China looked like to the British and to Europe in general. That must be... Okay, let's kind of go up this George Chinnery street then and check it all out. Kind of cool, a little mechanic right there. So definitely a British looking guy. Real pale cheeks, red, rosy cheeks. Looks like he'd struggle in the tropics of Macau. Okay, so this is a very short street. And San Lorenzo's is right up here. San Lorenzo's been around a long time, so there might be some connection between George Chinnery and that church, because that church has been here since, I think it's 15 something or 16 something. Oh, actually this one, just let me check this out. There's also this kind of cool thing right here. I saw this before. So it looks like kind of cool artwork everywhere. Bruce Lee. It's cool. Okay. Let's kind of head out up to the top of this. Another restaurant right here too. Oh, look at the interior of that one. Here's the food. Okay, so that's George Chinnery. I'm gonna go up to the top, and then you can see the church, San Lorenzo Church. Cool looking building. And there's San Lorenzo's church. And since we'll just give some more context, we'll just walk over, show you the sign of San Lorenzo so you know what it looks like. But I think San Lorenzo's and George Chinnery must have some kind of connection, because they put the street, George Chinnery Church street down there. Thai corner restaurant. So we basically went down that street, and there's another street right there, so you could go around the block a little bit. That's San Lorenzo to the left, and we're just going to go to the little mural thing that has some information about them. Might as well tie it together so you can kind of see how George Chinnery Street is connected with San Lorenzo. That's the church up there. That's the entrance. Portuguese, Chinese, English. So 1560 is when this came. And then they also talked about that used to be Gran Praia Bay, which is now a lake because they made it into a man-made lake. But before there wasn't any buildings here, and then you could be at this church right here and overlook the water and see the boats coming in, and way back in 1500s or whatever. Anyways, that's George Chinnery, and that's the Lorenzo Church nearby too.